Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bank account to Coinbase. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to add the bank account, tap onto three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then tap onto Profile and Settings. After that, here you can find the option of Add a payment method. Now simply tap on it. Now here is the thing, if you see something like this on your mobile screen, then the adding payment method is not supported on your region or your area. And if it is supported, you can simply add your bank account and choose the bank that you are using and simply add your account. And that's it. This is how you can add the bank account to Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.